Welcome to Short Stories. Today's short story is The Importance of Every Person. Once there was an exam going on in a school. All the children had come fully prepared at their level. The smartest and most studious boy in the class was very confident about his preparation for the exam. He knew the answers to all the questions, but when he saw the last question, he got worried. The last question asked was, name the person who is the first to reach school every day. All the kids appearing for the exam could only think of one woman, the same lady who would come to school before everyone else and clean the school. Thin, dusky, and tall, the woman was around 50 years old. This very face was roaming before the eyes of all the children taking the exam there. But no one knew the name of that woman. As an answer to this question, some children described her appearance and some left this question unattempted. After the exam was over, all the children asked their teacher, "What is the relation of this lady to our studies?" The teacher gave a very beautiful answer in reply. We ask this question so that you realize that there are a lot of people around you who are engaged in important work and you don't even know them. This means you are not aware. Everything around us, every person has a special significance and is special. But we are so entangled in the past and the future that we are unable to realize who is around us in the present, who is helping us make our life easier, and what is happening around us. The need is to become aware. Have a great day. God bless you all.